Welcome to HomePan TriPro, and today we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises speed, efficiency, and versatility. We're talking about the Rosewill Induction Cooker, specifically the 1800-watt model with its included 3.5 QD stainless steel pot. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking game, whether it's for a small apartment, a dorm room, or just as a powerful auxiliary burner, this could be it. Let's start with the core of what makes an induction cooker so appealing: the heating technology. This Rosewill unit boasts a powerful 1800 watts, meaning it heats up incredibly fast, literally in a second. This is a significant departure from traditional electric or even gas stovetops, where you're waiting for heat to transfer through coils or burners. Induction heats your cookware directly using magnetic fields, which is not only fast but also remarkably energy efficient. Rosewill claims about 20% energy savings compared to conventional methods, and that's a big deal for both your wallet and the environment. One of the standout features here is the sheer range of control you have. This isn't just a basic on-off burner. It comes with 5 pre-programmed settings: warm milk, soup, stir-fry, fry, and hot pot. These are accessible via a large, intuitive touch screen panel, allowing for a quick start with just one touch. But if you're more of a hands-on cook, you're covered too. You have a wide power setting range, from 300 watts all the way up to the full 1800 watts, with 8 distinct levels in between. Similarly, the temperature settings are equally granular, offering 8 preset levels from 150 degrees Fahrenheit up to a searing 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This flexibility means you can confidently tackle a huge variety of cooking tasks, from delicate simmering for a slow-cooked stew to high-heat searing for a steak, or even deep frying. The timer function is also quite robust, offering up to a 3-hour timer setting for immediate cooking, and a 24-hour delay start setting. This is fantastic for meal prepping or ensuring dinner is ready right when you get home. Now, let's talk about what comes in the box. Rosewill thoughtfully includes a 3.5-quart stainless steel pot, which is a good size for many common dishes. It also comes with a glass lid, which is always a plus for keeping an eye on your food without losing heat. However, the versatility doesn't stop there. The induction cooktop itself is compatible with a wide range of cookware, provided it's induction ready. This means your existing magnetic-bottomed saucepans, frying pans, and casseroles with diameters up to 10 inches will work perfectly. Aesthetically, this induction cooker has a premium feel. The high-glossy ceramic glass panel is not only attractive, adding a modern touch to any kitchen, but it's also designed to be scratch-resistant and easy to clean. The touch control panel and LED display are also very user-friendly, making it simple to select your desired settings and monitor your cooking. Safety is always a paramount concern in the kitchen, and Rosewill has addressed this with over 7 built-in safety features. This includes a lock function to prevent accidental changes to your settings, and a magnet-compatible sticker to quickly verify if your cookware will work. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are numerous. The 1800-watt power ensures very fast heating. The energy efficiency is a significant benefit. The extensive control over both power and temperature, along with the pre-programmed settings, offers incredible versatility. The inclusion of a quality stainless steel pot and lid is a nice touch. The premium design and easy cleaning are also definite advantages. And of course, the safety features provide peace of mind. On the flip side, it's important to remember that induction cooking requires specific types of cookware. If your pots and pans aren't magnetic, they simply won't work. While the included pot is a good start, you might need to invest in more induction-compatible cookware. Also, like many powerful kitchen appliances, it will require a dedicated circuit in some cases to avoid tripping breakers, especially when operating at its maximum power. Finally, while the touch panel is responsive, some users might prefer physical knobs for very precise, on-the-fly adjustments, though the digital interface here is quite good. In conclusion, the Rosewill Induction Cooker 1800 watt is a powerful, efficient, and versatile cooking appliance. It's designed for speed and precision, offering a wide range of control for various cooking styles. The premium build quality and thoughtful inclusion of accessories make it a compelling option for anyone looking to enhance their culinary setup. Link in the description.